Good morning, everybody. This is Chuck at Hobby Habit, and I'm just coming into you today because it's the beginning of crazy days here in LeGrand, but we've got something special going on. You see, Dave took off to go to Oshkosh, and he specifically told us to make sure we keep the place pretty clean. So we're cleaning it out. So basically, we've got a great sale going on today and through crazy days and through the next week. And I'm not just talking about your basic stuff. I'm talking about we're talking like Nerf rival guns marked way down. We're talking about board games, overstock games, not games we're just trying to get rid of, just games we have too many of. We've got planes, great deals on planes. The train wall is 40% off. All train stuff except sets. I mean, we're talking like this is some great stuff going on down here. I mean, this is going to be going on through crazy days and through the next week. So you need to get down here soon. Let's take a look at some other stuff. Check this out. We got Vex Robotics. That's great price on Vex Robotics. Andromeda RC cars, FPV RC cars. We got quadcopters. Oh man, we got so much great stuff here. You guys have to come check this out. So if you want to take advantage of those great savings, come on down. Your local Hobby Habit.